This is the inside of a Storm Shield 12 person unit, the flat ground model. Carpeted floor. That's the handrail for the steps. Nice easy grade. Climbing out. It's got a horseshoe seating which goes along 3 sides of the unit. Slip resistant steps. Alright. There's the 3 load binders, which have a capacity for 700 pounds each, equaling 2,100 pounds. 3 ventilation ports screened in. Hydraulic cylinder makes opening the door easier. The door has been ASTME tested to withstand an F5 tornado. Plenty of room.